Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I am going to show how to add WooCommerce setting tabs in your custom plugin or you can add in your custom child theme. So video is going to be more important, and before start, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel and let's dive into. So these are the built-in WooCommerce tabs and this is the custom tab I added in my custom plugin, and I am going to show you how I added it. And you may know about WooCommerce is complete customizable plugin in which we can do everything by doing some customization. So let's start how we edit this tab. So as you can see, this is our custom plugin and this is the headers of the plugin and this is the error reporting. And to add our custom tab, we have to add some filters or actions, and I am going to show how we add it and how it works. So first of all, we have to add this action WooCommerce setting tab array, and here is the function name. I am going to call this function here, and in this function this is the array, and in this array we have to add the key of the tab, and this is the value, I mean name of the tab. You can also say this is the slug of the tab. So let me show you how and where it is showing. So in the URL of the tab you can see employee is showing there. It means it is coming from there. So by this filter we can add the name of the tab like there employee passport, and there as well employee passport. And then if you go into this action, you can see WooCommerce setting tabs underscore employee. So I have added the employee from the key from there. So this must be the same. For example, if you want the accounts, then you can add here accounts and as well their accounts. And after that we have a function find gap employee setting tab, and in this function we are asking it to add WooCommerce admin fields, and here we have added another function in which we are showing some fields, for example input fields. And if we go there, you can see we have created a array, and in this array we are showing first the setting title. You have to mention the name of the field, for example title, and in this field we are showing the passport. You can put tax number etc or anything else. So this is the passport field which I am showing from there. So there are a lot of parameters there you can use by following the official documentation of the WooCommerce. In this documentation you can find more information about this setting tab, and you can add anything else you want like these tabs. So you can see we can also edit the checkbox and many other things. And after the array created, we have to return with the apply filters with the key that we have mentioned in the above function, and then underscore admin settings and the setting array. So just close it. So after that, by this way we have showed the field here, and the next step is to save this field. So there's another action to save the setting page WooCommerce underscore update underscore options underscore employee. Employee is the key of the tab as I already explained you. So there we have the function name find gap update option employee, and in this function we have to ask it WooCommerce update options, and then we have to mention it to save the data for this tab. And after that we are saving some logs in the WooCommerce credentials updated, and here we have to mention the source my find gap. So I have also showed here other logs like debug info notice warning, and after that I will show where it is saving, and then we are going to test it. So as you can see it was the passport field, that's why it is not showing. Then save it. So here you can see our setting is saved and it is saying your settings have been saved. And after that I am going to show you where the logs are saving. And if you go to the WordPress and then WP content folder and then upload, and in this folder you have to go to WC logs. Here you can see my find gap. You have to open it, and there it is saving with the date and time. Info credentials updated, the same as it is there I am saying credentials updated. So by this way you can add your setting tab and save it, and to do many other things like checkboxes and many other settings like these tabs, you have to follow the official documentation of the WooCommerce, and WooCommerce is the very big plugin. You can customize everything in this plugin, and I hope you must understand how we add setting tabs and how we save the data. And finally, thanks for watching.